been pulled back when you want it to. Don't worry, it won't. But it had a ramp in back. So please, everybody can go on. This airship held a lot of people.
What's up with the Green Giant?
That's just a nickname.
Jolly Green Giant.
It's because it's big
Green Giant. I've been in one of these before. Cool. Whoa, it's so hot.
Notice that's not for sleeping. If someone's wounded, they can carry wounded people in here.
It's super hot in here.
It is, yeah, the sun's been beating on it. Yeah, you're right.
First
Feel
aid
the
kit.
skin.
Where'd it
Feel
go?
the skin.
Where's the first aid kit?
Oh shoot, it is hot.
It is hot, yeah.
So they would lay the people right there?
They would, yeah, and they could put them in here. They could just put in maybe
Wait, why
9 or
is
10
there only
people
one?
if they were
You have
hurt.
any of those
Oh,
planes that
don't open that.
Look on top.
This one's there.
Those are cables.
Yeah, let's see one of those kind of next. That's
Instant police handle
let's see one called flying boxcar.
fire extinguisher.
Sure,
Where'd it go?
Look around. But that's,
Where'd it go?
It's a
you
good
really
fire
got to
there.
keep moving so you
Oh,
can
look,
see
look,
everything
look.
before you have to go.
Oh gosh.
I wonder if they should wrap them in there.
Why is there only one stretcher?
Because normally people...
Well, we know that's just for demonstration to show you what it's like. Toolbox. Toolbox.
But it's not.
Rescued by Jolly Green.
No,
These are all the squadrons that this
I didn't know they had a
this
spray
helicopter
bottle.
picked up.